Javi is a Havanese that's 7 months old in our 2-week board and train program. This is day 1 with bonding exercises, evaluation walk, and the follow me exercise. This is Javi's evaluation walk. Note the tension on the leash and that Javi is not aware that I'm at the other end of the leash. Javi is in charge of the walk. I slowed this video clip so you can see that Javi is in charge of the walk. Notice how he has decided to put the brakes on. There is a lot of tension on the leash, especially on turns, and especially when he puts the brakes on. The walk is unbalanced. I've introduced Javi to the free command. Free is his release command to go be a dog. The follow command is an informal loose leash walking command. It is defined as no tension on the leash, turn when I turn, and visually check in with me. Here you can see him looking up at me for a lot longer period of time. He's also turning without any tension on the leash. With the follow command, it doesn't matter whether he walks in front, behind, or to either side of me. Javi did great on this turn, and this is what we're aiming for 100% of the time. What is the come command? If you extend your arms in front of you and draw an imaginary circle around your body, I'm asking Javi to come within this boundary. Once he arrives in the circle, he must remain about 5 seconds. Later, I'll teach Javi a stationary command which will replace the jumping.